Hi friends, how are you? It's time for small group and today we are going to do a numeral match. A numeral match. So these are numbers. Another word for numbers is numeral. Can you say numeral? Numeral. Very good. So here are the numerals or numbers over here. So here we have 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. You say them. 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. Very good. So we're going to take a look over here at the dots, okay? So this is a set of dots here. This is a set of dots. Here's a set of dots. Here's a set of dots. And here's a set of dots. So I'm going to give you a second to count all the dots in each set. And after you do that, then Miss Charles is going to take her marker and I'm going to draw the correct matches, okay? So, um, here we go. Let's count our dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we know that this is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, now I'm going to get my marker and I'm going to draw a line to the numbers that match. So we know that 4 is for a big number or a small number. 4 is a small number, yes. So we're going to look and see which set of dots has a small amount. Which one? Point to the one that has the smallest amount. Touch the screen. Let's see. This has a small amount and this has a small amount. Which one do you think is 4? This one or this one? Let's count. You said this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. You are right. So Miss Charles is going to draw a line from this 4, the numeral 4, to the set of 4. Okay? Now, is 5 a big number or a small number? 5 is a small number too. Which other set has a small amount? This one right here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that the match? Yes, so I'm going to draw a line from here to here. Okay? Now 10 has a lot in it. So which one do you think is 10? This one, or this one? 10 is smaller than 15, and these two have a lot. So I think this might be 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got it right. Let's draw a line from this 10 to this 10. And you can use your finger to draw. Like Miss Charles is using the marker, you can take your finger and touch the screen and go across, okay? Now, which one do you think is 15? You think this one? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So nope, that's 20. That's not 15. So this one must be 15. So let's draw a line. Get your finger ready. Let's draw a line from this number 15 to the group of 15. And so that means that this one is 20. Whoa, you have to draw a long line. Get ready. Here we go. We're going straight up on a slanted line to the top. All right, friends. So we just did a numeral match. So parents, You can do this for your children on a piece of paper and have them count and do the numeral match, okay? I hope that you enjoyed our small group activity. And if your parents make this for you and you count and you match the numbers, send Miss Charles a picture of it, okay? I would love to see that. All right, friends, I'll see you later. Bye.